Welcome back to Jam Fed, promoting the Jamaican culture at yard and abroad. Well, Jam Fed can confirm that the rumor that was started by the Facebook page Track and Field Nerds that a Jamaican athlete had gone missing in Pennsylvania at the recently concluded Penn relays, well, we can confirm that that news story is fake. That is fake news. We understand that no Jamaican athlete has gone missing from the Penn Relays squad that was sent by the different schools. So that story, which was relayed by at least two Jamaican-based YouTube channels, well, we're declaring that story to be fake news and that no Jamaican athlete is indeed missing.